Jessica, librarian at Carroll Stream Library, and this summer our theme is Explore Your World. So we're going all around Carroll Stream and learning new things, and today we're going to Manny's restaurant on Gary, and we're going to learn how to make Eggs Benedict.
Okay. Hello, my name is Manny Hernandez, proud owner of Manny's Café here in Carroll Stream. We started about 3 years ago, July 2018, and we have been blessed to stay through this pandemic. A lot of support from our Carroll Streamers and the surrounding areas. So I'm going to show you today how to make a traditional Eggs Benedict with hollandaise sauce. A lot of people are afraid to make the hollandaise, but it's very simple. Let's walk in the kitchen. So I got all the ingredients that we're going to need over here. We're going to need a bowl with a whisk, a couple egg yolks so that we can make the hollandaise. For the hollandaise, we're going to need clarified butter. This is vinegar for the water. This time with white vinegar. And I got water boiling over here in a pot. We're going to use ham for the Eggs Benedict. English muffin, split in half, and then we're going to toast it. And then 2 eggs to poach. So we're going to right away get to the making of the hollandaise. I'm going to go over here, get a little hot water on them. Break up the yolks. Start whisking them. We're going to go on the pot, hot water, double boiler as they call it. And then just whisk away. The steam from the water is going to essentially cook the egg yolks. They're going to get thicker and thicker as I whisk. It gets hot on this side, so if you're not used to the kitchen, you can always do it on a flat top or a very low flame. If you want, you can use a towel to protect your hand. That way you're not burning your fingertips. So as you can see, it's getting frothier and frothier. What she's doing is getting the egg yolk cooked over steam. So what they call is a double boiler in the industry. So we're going to continue to cook until it's very thick. It's getting thicker and thicker. That's the consistency you're looking for right there. So we're going to pull away from the fire. We're going to add our 2 ounces of vinegar to the water and let that come to a boil again for the eggs. We're going to add clarified butter to the egg mixture, the egg yolks, and just whisk away. About 2 to 3 ounces. Just continue to whisk. And you can add butter more or less to your consistency. I like mine a little thick, so that's about what I like. You can see it's very thick and velvety. And then we're going to season. You can use lemon juice, you can use salt, pepper. What I prefer to use is Tabasco. Get some acid in there, so Tabasco is perfect. Gets a little kick, a little bit of spice, not too much. We're going to do a couple shakes. And then just continue to whisk. We got some salt and pepper. I got my salt and pepper already made. I do 3 parts salt, 1 part pepper. Sprinkle that on top. Couple pinches. Whisk away. And you can see the black pepper in there and the salt, and it's just very, very velvety. So hollandaise is set. It's ready to go. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make the rest. We're going to get our English muffin. We're going to put it on the griddle right here. A little bit of oil to get it toasted. I got blended oil. You can use butter too, but butter burns a lot. So oil is good for this application we're using. We're going to get the ham. And we're going to get it nice and warm on both sides. Put it on the plate. We set up the top. You can hear the sizzle. And it's ready to cook. While that is cooking, we're going to break our eggs and we're going to get the eggs poaching. I like to always use like a little bowl for the egg when I break. Sometimes if you break into the to the water. Sometimes there's egg shade in there or the shell. That prevents it from going in there. So we're just gonna break one egg at a time. See? There's no shells, there's nothing. We're just gonna put it in there. Water boiling. We're just gonna go one at a time. So right there, one egg. And come back and add the second egg. Second egg right there, and then just throw it in there. A lot of folks, they want to do the spiral. It says it helps with the egg white getting together. It doesn't. That's just a myth. What really helps is your white vinegar. That's the key. If you don't have white vinegar, then you're not gonna get your egg whites to form together. Let me change gloves. Alright, so you want to get a slotted spoon so that you can pull out your eggs. You want to check them. Right now they're not ready. You can see they're still very loose, so we'll leave it a couple more minutes in there. Don't be afraid. I've been doing this for a while, so I guess I'm used to it. But don't be afraid. This is your friend. This is the kitchen is your best friend. For me, cooking is natural. I am a local graduate from the College of DuPage. I went to COD for my associates in culinary and associates in baking and pastry. So I got a little bit of experience. I worked for hotels, worked for a catering company prior to Manny's. As you know, one of our biggest dreams as an individual is to be your own boss. So here I am living the dream. Anything is possible. So once the English muffin is nice and toasty, you can see it's got some color. You flip them around. Your ham is hot, and then the egg is cooking. You just want to pull them off. Cut your ham. You have a knife and a nice clean board. You get the ham over here. You get a knife. Cut it. We got a plate. Nice clean plate. We get the English muffin on there. The ham. Nice and hot. And we're just waiting for the eggs to come out, okay? I'm gonna check them one more time. I think they should be ready. See a little bit more body to them, so that's a perfect poach right there. So we're gonna go from the water to the plate. Shake them loose, put them on them right there. Second egg. Shake them on them. Then we're going to do this beautiful, beautiful hollandaise. Look at that. It's beautiful. So we're going to go, you want to go heavy on it, okay? Don't be afraid. That's where all the flavor is, right here. The hollandaise is what makes the Eggs Benedicts. So there you go. Eggs Benedict hollandaise sauce. Final touch is a little bit of salt and pepper on top to make that hollandaise shine. There you have it, guys. Egg Benedicts. And she's gonna try the Benedicts.
Ooh.
So we'll see. She'll tell us whether I did a good job or not.
Oh, it looks perfect. I'm taking too big of a bite. I wish you could smell this through the camera.
See that? Look at that ooze on the egg. The egg yolk right there.
Perfect.
So she's gonna give us a try and she's gonna let us know.
The hand there.
How did I do? Let's see the facial expression right there. Look at that.
It's so good.
It's good? So smiling right now. She's gonna
Smiling under the mask.
Thank you very much for visiting. Thank you for the opportunity of making this video. Hopefully we'll do great. All right? Thank you.
Well, thanks for joining us tonight. I hope you enjoyed learning something new. I certainly did. And come see us at the library and explore other Exploring Carol Stream videos. Thanks for joining us. Bye-bye.